In one of my classes, I have assignment folders set up that are tied to the gradebook that have rubrics associated with them. You can see here the little icon that says there's that I have the Turnitin check enabled, and that there's also a rubric. So if I were to click, say, here on the mixtape project, these assignments, by the way, are assigned to groups. So each one of these assignments were turned in by a group. Well, any person within that assigned group can submit something, and it's associated with their group right there in the assignment folder. So when I grade them, the grade goes directly to everybody in that group instead of having to grade each person individually. When you go into the assignment folder where their documents are located, right here I have a rubric associated with this gradebook item. So I can click in onto that, and then I can assign points there. I can click here, I can write notes. I just click on the pencil. I could change the point and type notes in this field if I wanted to add that. Since this is already a graded item, I'm not going to save that. So the rubric is tied. Once I put the points in with the rubric, it shows up right here in the score. And then I can click update, and that assigns that grade to everybody in that group. Now if I want to go and change those grades, if another evaluation part is part of their grade and each person in the group gets a slightly different grade, I can do that within the gradebook itself if I need to change those individually. In my Rock to Bach class, we watch or listen to a lot of music. And so after each class period, I will post a content area that gives the students an opportunity to go back and listen to the music that we listened to in class. And so after class, I will create one of these areas, one of these content items underneath the unit module, depending on what unit we're in. And creating this content area is really, really simple. So each of these are just embedded videos that I've gone and grabbed from YouTube. And if I want to embed a video, I can edit, move into the HTML editor. So I'll just throw a video down here at the bottom. And test video. Then I'm going to go to YouTube. So I'll go to the video, click on share, grab the embed code here. Now what's important is that you make sure you have unclicked show suggested videos when the video finishes, because you never know what YouTube is going to suggest for people to watch. It's just good practice. So I'm going to grab that link there, go back over to the editor. I have the link. Now I'm going to go insert stuff. I find that works better than the insert YouTube video. Click there. It shows up. There's my video. I say insert, and there it is. And then I update it.